The Nigerian society will be a better place when pastors and workers in the church preach the gospel of Jesus Christ to a world in need of ethical moral values. Wife of the Bayelsa State Governor Rachel Dixon and Speaker of the State House of Assembly Kombowe Benson expressed this view at the 6th International Ministers Conference of the Greater Evangelism World Crusade at Swali area of Yenagoa, the Bayelsa State capital.
Behold his glory, and a change from glory to glory. And in Bayelsa, our prayer is that this great God of heaven, who has brought us into a position of reckoning, who has made Bayelsa to be favored, may his glory always abide with every man or woman who steps in Bayelsa.
It's expected that as they are going back, as Christians, as pastors, workers of the church, they will do justice to what they have learned, and that is to preach the gospel to every creature, baptizing them in the name of the Lord. And so we believe that by so doing, society will be better, and they will be turning, people who are ungodly to godliness, and the society, and at last these people can also make heaven. And that is the intention of the gathering, empowering the people that will take the gospel to the rest of the world.